Hey everybody, Alex here with Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be getting into the chart of EEENF 88 Energy Limited. Just quickly, if you are new, welcome to the channel. If not, welcome back. Just about momentum charting, I want you to know that you are always going to get my 100% unique perspective on stocks, on broad markets. I never ever use my feelings or my biases to predetermine the things that I think is going to happen, the conclusions in the market. I examine price action, I examine trends. Cut, dry, simple. I listen to the markets, I do not listen to the noise. If you want to make sure you do not miss a single episode upcoming of Momentum Charting, of my updates on 88 Energy, broad markets, all your favorite stocks, I do daily updates. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification below. Thank you so much for doing that, guys. Let's jump in here to the chart of 88 Energy. Just quickly, broad picture, macro. Guys, I'm liking everything I'm seeing here right now on this stock. Good volume coming in. I'm here on a daily time frame inside of TradingView, which is always where I like to start to see if I can get a broad picture of what is happening on a daily time frame. And to me, what's happening right here looks very good. I am seeing on a daily time frame right now what looks to be a nice upward sloping trend line in development. Touch points here, June 21st. Touch points again here, June 25th. And again, July 21st. And again, July 23rd. And respected again this trend line on the drop of prices in August 12th. And appears to be working back here to the upside very nicely. I do want to watch this upward diagonal trend line, which I think is critical to support the upward prices right now on 88 Energy. Not a ton of price data to go off right now, which can kind of be intimidating sometimes, but I am seeing the start right down here of this 125 EMA, which is sloping to the upside. So that's kind of another piece to the puzzle. I'm liking what I'm seeing here, as well as that 50 moving average, which is pointing to the upside. So I do like both of those things. Also here on our dynamic RSI, these zones right here that currently 88 Energy is operating in, putting a base in this 53 area on a daily time frame. Very strong areas to be acting in an RSI for a base. If we were to come back down here, tag this 53, start working back to the upside again, that will definitely lead to an explosion of price in 88 Energy again. It would be nice for us to hold these areas somewhere between 50 and 53, start getting that daily RSI to start pushing back to the upside again. Let's look a little bit closer here on the 30-minute time frame. And what I'm seeing here, just like on the daily, you can see the midterm trend line, which is also in this case happens to correspond to the daily. We've got this nice upward moving trend line here still. That looks good. I like the alignment of our dynamic trend line here. It looks very good. Dynamic trend line operating over the 250 EMA. That's very positive. The alignment here of, so we have broken to the upside, which is very strong. This downward period here where we had since prices peaked back here on August 4th, and we had these three touch points, another one here August 4th at 12:30, another one here August 9th, and we have broken since to the outside of that. And what it looks like to me is possibly happening here, a little bit of a zone of resistance on the upside around 3.0339, which would kind of represent which very similar price action that happened here on this breakdown of prices here around this zone here where we initially broke down around July 7th, came back up here and tagged this line of overhead resistance and kind of consolidated in these zones here for the period of about 20 days. Now, the reason I don't believe this area of consolidation is going to take as long is because we've got this trend line coming here where it's got to make a decision here before August 25th. So I'm seeing possibly next 7 or so trading days, something like that, perhaps shorter, perhaps a little bit longer, but I am expecting a decision, and what I am definitely expecting is for us to break this 0.0339 zone and start moving to the upside. So potential area of consolidation here in 88 energy for the next 5 to 7 or 8 trading days. If we just come here on Monday, Tuesday, and immediately break above these zones and start putting in some sort of a base in this area, to me would be also extremely bullish, although I'm not 100% convinced yet that is going to happen. The most likely scenario I am seeing here is a consolidation in prices for a few days and then a break to the upside, confirming once again another hit on this trend line here later this upcoming week or early next week to sort of break off and act as a buoy to prices for our next explosion to the upside. Now, what am I expecting on prices? Let's see here. The zone I was targeting was exactly the same as what happened here. I can tell you ahead of time, this was about a move of 40% approximately. About 41%. So if we were to be able to break prices to the upside here, which I am foreseeing, okay, right here around, again, 0.0339, 0.0334, something like that. Let me just get the ruler tool out here, and I'm going to show you exactly where I am expecting to target. It's going to be higher than that. It's going to be up here around, around the 0.04. Yeah, I think that this 0.045 area possibly is going to offer a point of resistance. So this looks like a strong round number to me. 0.045 cents. So when we get this break to the upside out off of this overhead resistance, I'm expecting some profit taking in these areas around 0.045 and potential for another phase of reaccumulation, just like we've been having the last couple times in 88 energy. So look for profit taking again at 0.045 approximately, and the possibility of a return to this trend line, nice upward sloping trend line in 88 energy that we have been getting the last couple times. No reason as of yet to expect anything different to happen in 88 energy, so that's what I'm looking to have happen. But macro, micro, everything like that, all these short-term pictures here, guys, other than the next potential consolidation phase, 5 to 6, 7 day trading days, everything here to me on 88 energy looking very, very bullish. Here on the hourly trend of momentum, again, we are operating in a very bullish zone right here of momentum. You can see the zero line here. All this stuff above here is above the zero line, so this looks to be very, very bullish here. And in the shortest time frames, just again here, potentially kind of like what happened here on July 9th and July 15th, it's possible we're going to form some sort of a downward sloping resistance. But again, I'm not expecting that to last more than maybe 5 to 7 days. So potentially on the momentum chart, something like this, and then eventually get our breakout, just like we got here on July 26th. And that positioned us for our next move to the upside in 88 energy. So I'm foreseeing something like that to happen, but everything looking here really good, guys, for the next couple weeks in 88 energy. And looking forward when we break these levels here around 0.033, 0.034, a nice 40% pop to the upside, and expect some profit taking in these zones up here around 0.045 cents approximately. Guys, that is everything I'm looking at on 88 Energy right now. Again, I'm just loving the bullishness overall here on the stock. The 50 and 200 moving average on our momentum chart here appear to me to be very strong, very good. Some consolidation potentially in the next 5 to 7 days, and breaking these zones here, 0.034 cents. That is what I'm going to be looking for on 88 Energy. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. That's the entirety of my update today on EEENF. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, happy to hear it. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Again, to make sure you do not miss the next update where I'm going to be looking for the continued bullishness on 88 Energy and the break above these zones, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You do not want to miss my next update. Exciting 40% possibility of 40% plus pop in 88 Energy over the next coming few weeks. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel where I update that real time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I will see everybody again shortly in the next 88 Energy Limited update. Bye for now.